Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Vauxhall Adam Glam. This car comes with the 1.2 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 53 miles to the gallon. This is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 46,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the White My Fire and looks in good condition for age mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you'll see the interior is in great condition there. There's a couple of cup holders in the centre between the two front seats. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your DAB radio there in the centre. It also has Bluetooth for your phone. And this car also has climate control as well as cruise control. And then on the driver's door card there, you've got your electric mirror and front window controls. As you open the boot, touching the badge there, which is clever, you've got your split folding rear seats and the upholstery shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the glass roof there, which lets in plenty of light, and then also the 16-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.